Hi students, today we are learning animation in PowerPoint. So what is mean by animation and how to make a presentation in PowerPoint software. So see, animation are the special visual effect that makes the presentation more attractive for an audience and helps the speakers to control the flow of presentation during the slideshow. Means when we playing our presentation, that time this is very simply audience can understand that presentation language. PowerPoint offers two types of animation effect, slide animation and object animation. For slide we can give different type of animation, for object also we can give different types of animation. So slide animation helps to change the slide in an animated manner during the slideshow, while object animation helps to show the slide object in an interesting manner. So let us learn these both, how to use these features in PowerPoint presentation. So first we have to open PowerPoint presentation. How to open? Two way we can open. Simply right click on desktop, new, and when that pop-up menu will open, in that see Microsoft Office PowerPoint presentation. When we click on there, directly this will open. Otherwise click on start button, then all program, Microsoft Office, and in that Office PowerPoint presentation. Now will open. See, now our presentation window open. So now in that two method we have to see, we have to learn. One animation type is slide animation and second is a object animation. Now first we will take slides. Five slide we will enter. See, through enter button also we can insert their slide, otherwise click new slide and select the which type of slide you want. This type you can enter. Now 5 slide we taken, so one by one we will insert that. Suppose now first slide we will insert one object. Object means any shape or any picture or any text. Okay, so we will insert one text. Insert, we have to go in insert tab, then word art, select any formatted text which you want. Computer, I typed one text computer. So this is our object. Now again suppose on that text how that edit the formatting, that also we will see this next video. So this also we can edit through format tab. When we insert any object, see when we click on slide, now format tab is not there. Format tab is not there, but when we click on object, see now format tab came. So whatever related text setting is there, that all setting is done through format tab. When we click there, see shape fill, shape outline, shape effect, and here text related shape, text fill, then text outline and text effect. This type, see glow, like this way we can make. So now second we will insert picture. One simple animation we will make. Select one picture, insert. Same third, insert, select picture, insert, insert picture, select picture, click on insert, select picture, click and insert. So this way we already completed to fill our slide. Now next point is a timing. How to give a time? First we will give time, means when we start our presentation, that time each and every slide we have to give a proper time. Otherwise if you want on mouse click, then also possible, means when you click mouse click button, then only next slide will open. So this both option is available on that. See, when we click on animation tab, here last two option is there, on mouse click or automatically. So we will put automatically, remove that on mouse click and click on automatically. If automatically, then how many time? So after 3 seconds, okay, after 3 seconds next slide we want. So like this way setting, time related setting we done. So this same time we can use all slide, no need to go every one slide, only we have to click on apply to all. When we click apply to all, means this same time same automatically method is applied to all slides. See, we will check, click on 5th number slide and see, now this here also click is there and 3 seconds. So this time applied to all slide. Now next is a animation. Now our main point is animation, object animation and slide animation. Now on first slide here we inserted object. So how to give a object animation? Select your object, animation tab and see here custom animation, add effect. So how to enter the object? Entrance, so here also different emphasis, exit, how to exit your object. So this type effects is there. So we will give a box, okay. So see, like a box. Again example I will give flying. So this type our text will enter in our presentation. So this is the object animation. Now second, here transition. These are slide. For slide we have to give transition. Now first this object we give animation. Now this slide we have to give transition effect. So slide also we given second number transition effect. Again third number, select any one transition effect. See, when we giving transition effect, here star is coming. Fourth number, give transition effect. Fifth number, give transition effect. So almost our all slide animation is done. So now we will start our animation. Now how to start? See, click on slideshow tab and here options is there. Current slide, from current slide or from beginning. We want beginning. Now when we click on from beginning, from start, automatically we selected automatically it will start when we click from beginning, and every after 3 seconds slide will change through animation, object and slide animation. We will click now. See, this is the object animation and now this slide means transition animation. So this is our PowerPoint presentation. Thank you.